Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Solangie here. If you didn't know, and if you do know, welcome back. How's it going? Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Solangie here. If you didn't know, and if you do know, welcome back. How's it going? In today's video, I will be doing a quick little pack with me for my trip to LA. I will be going there just for the weekend with my best friend. We're gonna be doing some content creating, taking pictures, just chilling and vibing. I kind of got a bit of a color scheme going on, so I have to pack a lot of things. So I just want to show you a little bit of tips and tricks that I've learned to organize all my clothes and basically keep everything together. So if you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned and keep on watching. So just like how I explained in my intro, I will be showing you guys how I pack for my LA trip. Before I begin with that, I wanted to just show you very quickly the steps that I take to get that started. So the first thing that I like to do is go to my Pinterest. So here I just basically find a good packing traveling list that maybe that works with what like the vibe that I'm trying to go for. And yeah, so that's the first thing that I do. I found one that works the best for me. I pick one and yeah, that's basically what I do. That's the first thing that I do. I pick up a travel packing list. I wanted to kind of start using packing cubes, so I went on Amazon and I got are called luggage packing organizers, packing cube sets for traveling. I picked this color here. It's like a blue color. It's really nice. They come like they come. Dios mío, coño. They come in these different squares. Some of them you can put like your laundry in. This is fairly small for a laundry bag, but we gonna make it work, guys. We gonna make it work. Yeah, so I'm gonna be linking the packing squares that I used, and they have like different colors. They have a brown, they have, well, not brown, it's like a tan white color. They have a pink, they have polka dots, they have like different styles. I wanted one that had more little squares, but that one was sold out. No, actually, no, I'm lying. It wasn't sold out. That one was on back order or something like that. Like even when I tried to do Amazon Prime, it was saying like 2 weeks, or was it like a week? I don't know, but it was full. And for you to have Amazon Prime and it say that I have to wait a week, like I don't like it. No, you can't. That doesn't work. So yeah, so I just want to show you guys these packing squares very quickly, just to tell you guys, like, really invest in them. They're not a lot of money. They're cheap. I got them from Amazon, and see how they work for me. So I just want to show you guys this before I show you guys how I pack with them. The first thing on the list is travel documents such as passports, photo ID, hotel confirmation, if you rented a car, and your trip itinerary. I'm only going to LA, so I don't need a passport, But just an FYI, you guys, like, make sure you guys have a passport. Please, like, please get a passport. Because look at it this way. What if, like, your bae trying to take you out on vacation and he's like, oh, we out to Bali, and you be like, oh, I don't got a passport. What? Like, what? Or even for the fellas, like, what if your girl trying to take you out, trying to fly you out to, I don't know, another Cancun, Mexico, and you be like, oh, I don't got a passport. Ew. Ew. Like, get a passport. Right, Nate? You feel me, right? Get a passport. Like, when you want to go out with your friends, like, out of the country, like, nowadays, everybody wants to travel. Get you a passport. Don't be that friend. Don't be that person. Exactly, Nate. You feel me? Exactly. Exactly. He gets it. He gets it. Tell him. Tell him. Get you a passport. Get you a passport. Tell him. Tell him. Get you a passport. All right. Let me stop playing. But yeah. So that's something that's gonna go in your, like, your purse. That's whatever. The next thing on the list is like your makeup remover, your tweezers, your curling iron, hair straightener, blow dryer, hairspray, etc. So that's the first thing that I'm going to be packing. So the first thing is your makeup and things like that. So I pack my makeup here in this small little carry-on thing. It's really cute. I don't remember where I got it from, but I put my makeup in here. I'm not taking a lot of makeup, so there's no really need to use anything bigger. I'll be using one of the packing squares for my face wash and things like that. So I'll be taking these, the Tasha rice water face wash, and I'll be taking their dewy skin cream. It's travel friendly, so I will take that. Don't forget the sunscreen, and oh my god, I ran out of toner. All right, I gotta buy some toner, guys. But yeah, but the toner will be going in here too. If you want a more in-depth video on my skincare routine, go to my video. I'm gonna put it down in the description bar below, so you can check that out. And I talk more about my favorite skincare products at the moment. I haven't really tried these, so I'm just gonna try them on my trip and see if I like them. I also really quickly have my Living Cleansing Balm in here because I can't take the big one, and I have my Serum Relief as well. So yeah, so like I said, if you want to know more about my skincare routine, it's going to be down in the description bar below, so you can check that out. I'm going to be taking, you know, my perfume, things like that. Then for my flat iron and curling iron, also my hot comb, I'll be putting it in this bag here. So yeah, so I put my makeup in here. I put my skincare products, toothbrush, toothpaste in here, in this one, and I put my hair products in this big bag right here. I'm also gonna take my bonnet. Y'all, look how big this bonnet is. It like covers my whole face. Well, next on the list is medication, which is allergy medicine, nausea, pain relief, things like that. I normally don't carry medication to a trip. If I feel any kind of way, I usually just buy it while I'm out there. But one thing that I saw on a list was like to bring your medical card, which I never thought about bringing anyway, but you never know, like if you get hurt or anything like that, you would want to have your medical card, so your insurance could cover whatever situation that happens to you while you're on vacation, because you never know, right? So that's one thing that's definitely important to have. Next thing on the list is clothes. So I'm finally gonna show you guys how I use the packing squares with the clothes that I'm taking to the trip. So the first size that I'll be using is the large. Okay, so I'm just gonna be packing like a few things. I'm gonna be grabbing mostly the jeans and things like that. The way you want to fold your clothes, it's your preference. You can fold it or you can roll it up, whichever you want, whichever method you see fit. I'm gonna be rolling mine up. Okay, so I have the first packing square packed. I have most, if not all, of my bottoms in there, which is my leather pants, my jeans, my shorts. I also just included one of my tan dresses that's in there and a bathing suit. Literally fit all in this square, and you guys know how thick jeans are, so that's one. Next size is, this is the medium. This is medium. I don't know if you guys noticed by now, my color scheme. Y'all see the greens, the browns, I'm gonna add hints of blue. My friend is gonna pick me up in like an hour. So I gotta hurry up. There you go. This is the second square right here. You can barely see me, but this is the second square right here. Now let's do the next square. I'm definitely overstuffing this one. It doesn't tap all these. So I'm gonna take some items out, finish closing this one, and maybe open like this one here. Should probably fit the rest of my items. I also got these sunglasses from Shein. They're just plain black sunglasses. And I also got them in like a brown color. So I have that, so that I'm gonna be taking that with me. And don't forget the laundry bag that I can't put clothes in, but I'll just put like dirty underwear and things like that. For the most part, when it comes to dirty clothes, I usually get a plastic bag. When I get to wherever my hotel is, I ask for a plastic bag, and that's where, I put my dirty clothes in. So that's usually what I do
with that, so I don't mix my dirty clothes with the clothes I ended up not wearing. And then for purses, I'm taking this bag. Now it's time for the shoes. Okay guys, so for shoes, I'll be taking just a couple of slippers right here. Just my Rihanna slippers, and these, I forgot what these are called, but I'm taking these because I just want to be comfortable for the most part. So, and then I'll be taking my Converse, my high top Converse, my Ivy Park sneakers, and some strappy black clean shoes, and some tan clear shoes. Just some staple colors that I can just switch my outfit and the shoe won't be off, you know? All right, y'all, so the moment of truth. Let's see if it closes. Oh, this is definitely gonna close. Yes. Yay! Woohoo! Oh God, this is heavy. Lord. All right, you guys, I am all packed and ready to go on my LA trip. Stay tuned for an LA vlog coming soon. If you made it this far into this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Later, loves.